G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete Investing. This is June 22nd, 2023 and the nat gas price update. I've made a major change to the trading platform here. We've got an extra indicator I've included at the bottom. So for those familiar with my channel, I do track. Let's talk about the weekly first off. First of all, let me just summarize. The weekly is showing a bullish momentum. So does the daily. So we take predominantly long trades on the hourly time frame. And for those familiar with my channel, the regulars, I've been using this CCI 150 moving average and combining it with the CCI, moving averages, triple moving averages of the price chart. And we were using that as a trend indicator previously. So what I've done now is I've changed it to, as a trend indicator, we're using the multiple moving average oscillator. So it's very similar to the moving averages of the price chart, except that you'll notice it's an oscillator. It's not using the same values as the price chart. And it's a very similar pattern in terms of movement to the CCI indicator. So this is giving us a more smoother trend, if you like, to be able to track using the weekly and daily. But you'll notice as well, I'm keeping the CCI in there because it's giving us some divergence. You can see here, historically, there was a bearish divergence between that area and between those highs on the price chart. And eventually the price fell off. So you would have been wise to take your profits or stop trading long as soon as you're starting seeing that collapse with that big candle there especially. There was also another bearish divergence in that smaller range there between those highs there. And again, another warning to stop trading long after that little retrace to the upside. So what this indicator down the bottom does, it combines multiple exponential moving averages, 10 and 5, and it gives us a smoother entry and exit following a weekly trend in this case. So here you would have gone short predominantly during that period, and it's just broken up into a bullish momentum. And applying that to the daily as well, so only take, if I go back to a minute, so only take short trades during that decline obviously. You can see they're quite obviously on the share price. And you would have taken predominantly short trades on the daily, based on the daily as well, on the hourly. So you can, again, only taking short trades. You can see there more recently that it's broken up into a long trade, but you notice on the weekly, it's still short, so you would not have taken those long trades during that period. Now, the weekly's broken up into a long momentum, and so is the daily, so predominantly long trades on the hourly. Again, looking at the daily for a minute, this hasn't changed our outlook using the CCI 150. You can see there the bullish divergence. There's also a bullish divergence on our new oscillator down here. And our target range is in this triangular area, which happens to be the 23 to 38% Fibonacci retracement. We always pick the closest retracement level as our target range should it break above this resistance at 27.86. So our outlook there hasn't changed. Likewise, in terms of Fibonacci extension, on a downside, if it breaks below this support level, and if these bullish divergences fail, then we're going to look at it initially a target area between 23% and 38% Fibonacci extensions. So again, only predominantly long trades based on the weekly and daily at the moment on the hourly. And on the hourly as well, I haven't applied the oscillator to this one. I'm still going to just use the CCI, but it's a bit more reliable divergence indicator. You can see there this had a bit bearish divergence in the short term versus a bullish divergence, and the CCI continued to the downside. The price collapsed and it hit our target. So again, just a reminder how we choose a target. Once it collapses between, if you draw another trend there, we pick the recent low to the more recent high, and that would have been your initial target area between the 23 and the 38%. In this case, it actually went as far as the below the 38% level. So it's making further upside. And again, for those new to the channel, I've got a back test here going short and a back test going long, and we only take those trades, as I said in the beginning, when this indicator down here shows long trades on the weekly and long trades on the daily. If I go back here, you can see there, since the start of 2022, long trades predominantly, and you would have taken long trades predominantly during that period in 2022, where they align on the hourly. So to understand this and other trading strategies in more detail, subscribe to our Patreon page where we also scan for stocks, currencies and commodities. subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new future video.